interview time. Okay, what color shell are we in?
Yellow.
Yellow shell. Okay, where are we at?
DisneySea.
DisneySea. And which country?
Mermaid?
No, country in Japan, right?
Yeah, Japan.
Which city?
City? Disney.
Tokyo.
Tokyo Disney.
Well, it's actually kind of Chiba, right? Close to Tokyo. Okay, you ready to have a good time?
Yes.
Alright. How about Mr. Frog? Mr. Frog, Mr. Turtle. Okay. I guess we're ready to go. Hopefully they don't say, hey, turn off your camera. Ready? What do you think? Okay. Oh, what's that? What's our little... Oh, here we go! Oh. Are you scared yet?
No.
I don't know, man. You look scared.
Now.
Oh, look at...
Jumping.
Huh?
Jumping.
We're jumping, man. Here comes Mommy at Scuttle. Look at that. Yay! Woo! Woo! Oh, we're turning too. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, man, look at this. Oh, where you guys at? Oh, here we go. And we're done going in circles. Thank you. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Post-ride interview, AJ. Post-ride interview. Hey, did you have a good time?
Yes.
Are we still in the yellow shell?
Yeah.
Okay. No magic tricks. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, man.
Bye.